welcome back to my channel. It's your girl latesha-kharizma. To all my new K Squad members, hey girl, let's jump into this review. I'm back with a new wig review. Today we're talking about the Sensational Curls Kinks Vpart wig, HD lace part wig, V Unit 4. I have her in the color 1B. I'm going to link everything in the bottom description box below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this unit. But let's go ahead and get into the stats, girls. This comes with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with your adjustable straps. This is a 14-inch length unit. Narrower V part for minimal leave out, hand tied along the edges of the parting for an undetectable finished look. A glueless, quick and easy install with the wig band. Extra secure grip with silicone lining, wire comb and clips. And you may shift the cap for side parts with longer styles. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Shout out to Sensational for sending me this unit. And first off, I love it because it's such a natural looking unit and she is extremely lightweight. The density is on the thin side, you guys. You definitely can feel tracks going throughout the unit, but you can't see them. So that's always going to be a good thing. As far as the texture is concerned, very soft, light, very light, yaki texture. Feels really good going in and out my fingers there. And as far as the shedding and tangling, extremely minimal. I really haven't gotten any. And I don't know, unless you like brush this out, you might get some. But for right now, there's no shade and tangling going on. I love the fact that it's a 14-inch unit as well. It's really hot out right now in the summer. So it being short and really lightweight is always going to be a plus. So with Vpart wigs, they're really not my judge. But when Sensational asked me to review this, I was like, oh God, I'm going to have to dye my roots because like my roots are like super gray. And she's like, no, don't worry. I'm going to send you one where you can just kind of blend your hair. You'll be good. And I'm like, okay, girl. So let me just explain to you guys basically what a Vpart wig is. So the Vpart wig comes with lace in the middle that you can cut. That way you can have minimal leave out in the middle of the unit, or you can just leave your own hair out in the front of the entire unit, which is what I chose to do. We'll get into that later. But the V-part is narrower than U-part wigs, so it's hand tied along the edges. It's a protective style. It's a breathable mesh cap. I absolutely love that it comes with 5 clips, so you can clip the wig, you know, into your braids or whatever you have up under your wig cap there. So I love that the clips are there too. It also has an adjustable wig band back there because I do have a smaller size peanut head, so the adjustable straps are really going to do it justice. Like, I really love the adjustable straps because it ensures that the unit stays nice and put. Now, the colors that this comes in, I love as well because they come in really natural colors. The 1, the 1B, the 2, also TH1B27, TH1B/30, and TH1B/copper. I definitely would recommend that you get this in a 1, a 1B, or a 2. I don't think the copper, I mean the 30 and the 27 maybe, but the copper might be a little bit too much. But I just think it looks great in like a natural color, so that's just moi. But yeah, I do love the unit. I love that it's so lightweight. Now as far as body, it even has a little body to it, girls, a little bounce. You know, we love bounce over here at you know, my channel. So anything that's going to look natural is always going to be a win for me. So let's just go ahead and jump into this install right quick. You guys, ignore my cat. She has the zoomies, and if you are a cat owner, you know what the zoomies are. So for some reason, every time I film, the cat just goes berserk. So y'all ignore Callie. She be on one, girl. She just wants screen time. She just wants camera time, trying to be cute. Okay, so for this install, it was fairly simple, but like I said, being that it is a V-part, I literally had to take my own 2 plaits out that I usually wear under my wigs so I can get my own real hair out to blend into the wig. So I decided that I didn't want to do a middle part and have like the little hair sticking out in the middle. I wanted to just go ahead and take my own hair and just flip it back, and that's exactly what I did. The great thing about the V-part unit is, about this unit 4, is that it is a curlier, it's curly, it's like a curly, kinky, curly texture, and my hair is curly, so it was really easy to blend this unit as well. So I did utilize the clips in the unit, and once again, you can shift the wig from left to right or middle part. I chose to keep it as a middle part, and I went ahead and just, you know, kind of clipped those in there, took my real hair out, and just, you know, wet it, and it curled up and flipped it back. Now, you guys already know I'm in love with all things Tresemme. So, like I said earlier, I do have gray roots because I haven't dyed them yet this month. So I took my Tresemme Root Touch Up in the shade Black. I'm going to also link this down in the bottom description box below, because this is thebomb.com. If you have gray roots and you don't want to like consistently be dyeing your hair all the time, it works really well. And I love the way that it sprays out as well. It has a really sharp spray there, and you can just hold it maybe, I would say like maybe 3 to 4 inches away from your own hair and kind of spray that. And as you can see on a close-up, it really got the black girl. It covered up all that gray. We love Tresemme over here at my channel. So that's just a little tidbit if you guys do have gray roots. But basically that's all I did, and I just kind of finger played with her and I was done. So I wasn't in the mirror too long, but yeah, like I said, if you do not want to utilize that part, you can always just throw your own hair back and just kind of mix it in with the hair. So that's pretty much what I did, and I wasn't in the mirror no more than 15 minutes. So I'm going to jump into the pros and cons right quick of the V Unit 4. The pros are that it is a shiftable wig. That's so great, so you can shift it from left to right to the middle. I do love the 5 clips inside the wig because it ensures that the wig is going to stay put, especially when you have your own hair out. That's kind of a hit or miss because you don't want this wig slipping off. So that's definitely going to be a pro as well. Love that it's 14 inches. I love that it comes in really natural colors. And I do love that the unit, once again, is lightweight and it has a really good texture to it. As far as the cons, the density is a bit thin. It could have been a bit thicker for my taste because, like I said, I do feel tracks going throughout the unit. And although you can't see the tracks, just the fact that I can feel the tracks, I'm just like, ugh. But that's not really a big deal for me. So I really wish that it was a little bit more thicker in density there. But as far as everything else, I do like the unit. There's not really any cons. The pros are definitely going to outweigh them. I think this is a really cute summer unit, you know, a good old throw on and go. You can even wear this with a headband if you want to, which I definitely will. You know what I'm saying? Definitely will wear this with a headband and just kind of go out the door. So I love the unit. It's very affordable. This is like a $20 unit. So yeah, if I were you, I would definitely run out and go pick this up. Hey guys, that's pretty much it for my review. If you enjoyed my content today, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button. Follow me for more beauty and hair related content on TikTok and Instagram at latesha-kharizma76. And I'll see you guys in the next review. Until next time, dogs, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye.